Get ready to experience the hottest event of the year as the annual Shady Mixtape returns for its 5th season, showcasing some of the most talented artists from East Africa. This year's lineup features B2C, Rickman, Fit for Maker, DJ Slick Stewart, Daddy Andre, Zexi Bilanjilanji, and Christopher Muneza, alongside the beautiful Sheila Gashumba as the host of the show. This is one event you won't want to miss. Happening on 27th May 2023 at the Stunning Royal Regency in London. Come and be part of an unforgettable night of music, culture, and entertainment. Proudly powered by Shady Entertainment and Mosh Ali Entertainment. Music policy from classic to the latest chat toppers. Get ready to turn up the heat and experience the ultimate showcase of East African talent. The Shady Mixtape Season 5. For bookings, contact 07939 201 776 or 07802 331 454 and 07459 746 629. Aliba tickets at £35, standard £40, and VIP £50. VIP table of 10 at £500, and a table of 10 VVIP £600. The Royal Regency is located on 501 High Street North, London, E12 6QN.
Yeah. United Kingdom, this is what happened when there is fire in the neighborhood, and it is so serious. These guys had to land the helicopter right in the middle of the residential. They just got this small garden. It's a town park. It's a town park. Kids play around. And this London Air Ambulance, they managed to squeeze this small helicopter and run. There is few of them there sitting in there, as you can see. The supporters, whatever we call it, the doctors. Because once this one comes out, they don't just come out. Really, they don't just come out. But once they come out, the incident is so serious. What I've heard, that they've chased someone all the way down, and they'll get them. Either someone stabbed someone, stabbed each other, but this one had to come out. Yeah, that's what happened when you pay your tax. This is what you get. If you look at the back, how it looks, very beautiful. They're here to support, to make sure that everything goes safe. Just imagine this landing right at the kids park. Luckily there was no kids around. Yeah, but they managed to squeeze it in here. Yeah, you might think it's a big helicopter, but it's not that big. It's not that big. So what happened, doctor?
Yeah.
Pilot.
Doctor. There's been a medical emergency just down the road.
Okay.
So we've just brought the doctors to help out.
Okay, so something like this big to come out, because you can see the communities coming out looking at this. Yeah, is this something serious?
They would generally come to serious.
It's a serious incident.
Yeah.
Because these helicopters they don't come out easily just like that.
No, we just get called to trauma really.
Yeah.
So, that's what we've got on board. Some trauma doctors and
okay.
Come out to help,
so you're still here, yeah? I can see the kids are coming out.
Yeah, they'll come out. We're just waiting to know what we're going to do next. We don't know. The doctors may come and fly them back to hospital, or We
Okay.
shouldn't be here too much longer because it's getting dark. So
Yeah.
we've got to get out here before it does.
Thank you so much for serving the community. We really appreciate your work.
No problem at all. Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you. Right. Yeah. So we just spoke to the doctor. Yeah. The pilot, not the doctor. And they explained what happened. So, you know, hopefully it's not that serious. Yeah, it's not that serious. And you can see the community, the people are coming to see, you know, yeah. The family are coming to see the helicopter because it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen at all. Just right in the middle of, you know, the residential. You can tell. Yeah. What's the time? It's 9 in the evening. 9 in the evening, night time. Yeah. And the area we're in is called Bermondsey. Right not far from London Bridge. You can tell the Shard is over there, the tallest building in the United Kingdom. Yeah. The Shard. It's called the Shard. Yeah. You can see the family going down there to speak to the pilot. Yeah, something nice like this to happen. They're serving the community. The doctors are serving the community. The pilots are serving the community because people pay the tax. When you pay your tax, you get things like this. Quick emergency helicopter out. Anyway, I'll see you next time on Nangabo Production. Next update. Dogs walking around, people walking their dog as it's the evening. Yeah, they're looking at this and they're like, oh my God, what is this? What is happening? What is happening? Yeah, soon you see a lot of people turning up from their houses with the kids saying, what is happening? What is happening here? Yeah? Apparently I was just driving around, so I stopped and then said, let me get the updates for my Nangabo Production fans. But please subscribe on Nangabo Production. Follow all our social media platform. Remember, we're giving you all these kind of updates when we can get them.
Mr. Kanzunzu Kamunguruzi kukubira amasimu tuyiribanga bamaje boo my property my guy Yolanda was good my people so precious nigga around town King Kong Freak for Mecca and I just want to let you know that on the 27th of May I'll be performing at Royal Regency DJ Shady Mixtape Party Season 5. See you there, don't miss, go get your tickets. See you there, love.